my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady Joe? If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, you get one video where Omo Balance do we never say yeah, you understand? So as he do the video, he say people really vex for the video, like people really vex say why him go do that kind thing, you understand? He say people really vex for am, not be small, you know. So now he come out now say I beg, say the way one of us share the first one, Mona see share the second one like that, and I go see put the video, Mona see am, you understand? He said the one I take see the other one before. The one I take share, Mona see share this one like that. Say Mona beg, say he beg the elderly people, he beg people. He say a video when he do before. Many of una see that video. He say I beg, say make una forgive am. Say make una beg. That is Omo Balance. Say make una beg, una forgive am. Say not be fault. He no know when he take do that kind thing. So now me and now I can say okay. Now this one I see truth at least. Make I see share the video because I know some of una now video when I first do I see the way all of una just stay react put, you know. So now make I say okay, but I see bring this one since the same way we share them. So Mona see help and see share them so that the elderly people go see the video. I go still put the video Mona see am, you understand? And I want make una understand one thing, say this our ogbonge YouTube so anything any news where they pass now with the talk, you understand? And I dey make sure say I get proof before I go do am, like the one when I first do before, like that Omo Balance video when I first do. I see the way they get it talk, you understand? Now it make me to do the video. Cause I see some of una comments, you know, so that make me dey talk am, you understand? So as Omo Balance come still do this one now. Now say man say come tell una say any how una fit forgive her because say the video wey him do before, many of una see the video, the way the video take go viral, the way it take talk, it not really like make sense, you understand? So now make him now come out now say make una forgive her. Say the way that one take go viral before, mona still let this one still go viral like that. Say end of come out, come clear the hair now, you understand? That beg man.
Maintenant, je vois alors il y a que mon balance. This video one want to so hein. The hand when it share down when go viral when cost kata when come the ground.
Now the year.
That same hand they share this one. Most of them see.
He said the hand one at they share that one wey cause kata wey come the ground. Mona see share this one like that. Now more balance. Now in the talk and I go see put this video. Mona see am.
For screen she saw this why. If you want now me to see me for screen, I go make you share this video. The video when I do when go viral, like comment, like make the thing turn against me. They never accuse me of saying my mind. So they don't see use the hand when they say they want flog me, they don't see use that hand carry me near body. So the others are finally forgiving me. So many people need to know say Omo Balance don't resume work again. I appreciate all the others when they sit there forgive their happy.
Now the year now, when I hear what he talk, say he appreciates all the elders who na sit forgive am. Say not be fault for wetin him do. He no know when he do wetin him do. Say make una beg, make una forgive am. You understand?
Okay. So like I said before, I'm sorry if I failed you before. This time Omo B don't change. So if you can't.
He said this time Omo B don't change. He say he don't change. He not be that say Omo Balance who na know before again. He say all the kata where they grand. Say I beg, make una forgive am. Now wetin him talk.
It's me now, not if you say I go fail you. Thank you, my beautiful people for those states. I appreciate you all. So many people need to know say Omo Balance don't resume work again. I appreciate all the others when they sit there
He say Omo Balance don resume work again, and they appreciate all the elders when una still take forgive am. Na wetin him talk. So I beg, make una still forgive am. I still join Omo Balance beg, make una forgive am, because I for backbone now, you understand. Person no dey know finish. So kind things go dey happen sometimes. Yeah, person fit just talk wetin e no supposed to talk, and person go do wetin e no supposed to do. You understand? So na him make Omo Balance now come now come beg, say make dem forgive am.
Forgive their pikin. So, like I said before, I'm sorry if I failed you before. This time, Omo B don't change. So
he say this time him don change. Una dey understand now. He say him don change. He no be like the way he be before again. So I go see you this medium. Still take beg una, say make una still forgive Omo Balance. So Omo Balance na still our brother, our pikin. So I make una legberi backbone now, you understand. So make una still try, make una forgive Omo Balance. Omo Balance, him know say him don already do wrong already, and they still dey beg make una forgive am.
if you cast me now, not if you say I go fail you. Thank you, my beautiful people of Edo State. I appreciate you all for the love. Wayawa Wese. Keep watching Omo Balance. I'm back again. Waya Wese.
Una dey hear? He say una do well for your body, and I go see put the video more una see am by una self. May not be like say na me, Lady J, come dey talk for a mouth. You understand me, my darling people? So my ogbonge people, anything wanna think about this video, wanna leave una comment for the comment section. No, wanna see share the video the way the first one first go viral. Wanna see like this one still go viral like that. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
You don't know, man. Maintenant, we go again Omo Balance. This video one I want to do so. The other one it share that one when it go viral, when it cause katakata when it come to the ground. Still use that same hand to share this one. Most of them they see me for screams, is all this why. If you want now me to see me for scream, that go make you share this video. The video when I do when it go viral, na comment, na make the thing turn against me. They never accuse me of saying my mind, so they don't see use the hand when they say they want flog me. They don't see use that hand carry me near body. So the others are finally forgiving me. So many people need to know say Omo Balance don't resume work again. I appreciate all the others when they say they forgive their pikin. So like I said before, I'm sorry if I failed you before. This time Omo B don't change. So if you cast me now, not if you say I go fail you. Thank you, my beautiful people of Edo State. I appreciate you all for the love. Wayawa Wese. Keep watching Omo Balance. I'm back again. Waya Wese.